Namaskar. I Amit Kumar welcome you all in IMD's daily weather briefing. In this video, we will be seeing that in past 24 hours what weather has prevailed over the country, and for next 7 days how the weather will be. So if we look at the observed weather during last 24 hours, then dense to very dense fog conditions in which the visibility is less than 50 meters was observed over some regions of Jammu, Punjab, Odisha. Then dense fog conditions in which the visibility is within the range of 50 meters to less than 200 meters. It was observed over some pockets of Manipur, Bihar, Himachal Pradesh, East Madhya Pradesh, East Rajasthan and Uttarakhand. Cold day conditions also prevailed over East Uttar Pradesh. So if we look at the synoptic systems which are prevailing over the country today, then there is a upper air cyclonic circulation over East Bangladesh and neighborhood. Then there is another cyclonic circulation over northeast Assam. Then the subtropical westerly jets with the wind speeds of the order of 150 knots are currently prevailing over northwest India. There is a cyclonic circulation over southeast Arabian Sea and adjoining South Kerala coast, and there is another cyclonic circulation over southwest Bay of Bengal and adjoining southeast and equatorial Indian Oceans. So under the influence of these systems, today's highlights are dense to very dense fog conditions which will continue to prevail over northwest plains, that is whole Indo-Gangetic plains. Then the cold day conditions which will continue to prevail over Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Bihar. Then cold wave conditions which are likely to develop over Punjab, Haryana, West Rajasthan and East Rajasthan during next 7 days. Now we will see the forecast in detail. So if we look at the day 1 forecasts, then you can see in this map that the entire northern plains dense to very dense fog warnings are issued, for which you can see that very dense fog warnings are for Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and Odisha. The dense fog warnings are issued for Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and in northeast Sub-Himalayan West Bengal, Assam and Meghalaya and NMMT. You can also see that cold day warnings are issued for Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Uttarakhand and East Rajasthan and West Madhya Pradesh, and cold wave warnings are issued for Punjab, Haryana, East Rajasthan. You can also see that over Meghalaya we have given hailstorm warnings for day 1. Now if we look at day 2 warnings, that is for valid for 4th of January, then you can see that this dense to very dense fog layer will prevail on 4th of January also, and the entire regions which were given day 1 were dense to very dense fog warnings in day 1, they are also under dense to very dense fog warning on day 2 also, and cold wave warnings are also given for Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, and cold day warnings will continue for Bihar and Uttarakhand. If we come to day 3, that is 5th of January, then you can see that the dense fog layer from Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand and Gangetic West Bengal and Rajasthan, that will be dissipating, and then dense to very dense fog warnings are only issued for Punjab, Haryana, East Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and Odisha, and dense fog warnings are issued for Madhya Pradesh, West Uttar Pradesh, Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand, and in northeast Assam, Meghalaya, NMMT and Sub-Himalayan West Bengal. Cold wave warnings will continue for Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan, and cold day warnings will continue for Bihar. Now if we look at day 4 warnings, then you can see that day 4 warnings are similar to day 3 warnings, except for northeast region where the dense to very dense fog warnings are removed. So dense to very dense fog warnings are issued for Punjab, Haryana and East Uttar Pradesh, and dense fog warnings are issued for Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, West Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar and Odisha. Cold wave warnings will continue for Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan. If we come to day 5 warnings, then you can see that on 7th of January, the fog layer, the intensity of fog layer that will decrease, and you can see that very dense fog warnings are only issued for East Uttar Pradesh, and dense fog warnings are issued for Punjab, Haryana, West Uttar Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Bihar and Odisha, and cold wave warnings are issued for Rajasthan. So on day 5, that is 7th of January, the cold wave warnings are removed from Punjab and Haryana. Now if we come to 8th of January, that is day 6, then you can see that dense fog warnings are only issued for Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, And similar dense fog warnings will continue on day 7 also for Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. On Bihar, on day 7, the dense fog warnings are not given. Now, if we look at the forecast of minimum temperature, then over northwest India, the minimum temperature is likely to fall by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius in next 2 days, and thereafter there will be no significant change. Over central India, the temperature are likely to fall by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius in next 4 days, and after that there will be no change. Over East India, in next 24 hours, there will be no significant change. After that, the temperature will fall by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius, and after that, there will be no significant change. Over Gujarat state, the temperatures are likely to rise by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius during next 3 days, and after that, there will be no significant change. Over remaining parts of the country, there is no significant change in minimum temperature expected. Now you are looking at the visuals of the impacts of dense fog, cold wave and cold day. They are likely to impact transport and aviation sector, power sector and human health. You are also seeing the action suggested to reduce the impact of these severe weathers. You can join us on our Mosam website, Mosam app and various social media handles to get the latest weather information. Namaskar, Jai Hind.